Man, oh man, looky what we got here. Hey guys, Sean and Brian over at Nichols Marine in Norman. I have a brand new 2026 Vexus DVX22s. This boat stands on a fiberglass tandem axle trailer. This boat is equipped with a 400 Mercury V10. Got the Cayenne interior, reflex flooring. Trailer step up. Top side, let's take a look. Massive front deck space, 2 rod boxes, center rod box, plenty of space for tackle. This boat is equipped with a Garmin Kraken along with a 126 SV Garmin Echo map. Walk-through windshield, dual console. Here at the captain's seat we got a 126 Garmin SV. We have Vexus famous coastal key start, Fusion audio, full bimini. We got a ice chest cooler for cold drinks. Plenty of seats for you and your families and fishing friends. Let's go back here. Let's take a look at these live wells. These live wells are super sweet. They have a glass lid, so where you can look inside without having to completely open them up. Check your fish. Rear flip up aft seats. Guys, this boat is smoking hot. Super sick. This is the Vexus DVX22s. Y'all make sure to come by Nichols Marine here in Norman, Oklahoma, or visit our website at nicholsmarine.com.